Ciao Tesla people! Today another road trip. I'm going to Pescocostanzo, which is a town close by. I think it's around 25 kilometers and it's 1200 meters, so pretty higher up than here. Now it's 20 degrees, gorgeous days, beautiful day, no one cloud in the sky. Let's hope it stays like that. And we're going through a beautiful woods, which is towards the place where I'm going. And it's going to be a nice ride. So I'm going to do a time lapse, and then probably there I'm going to do some other pictures and videos, and maybe some pastry. There is a very good pastry place in Pescocostanzo, so I hope it's going to be open. Okay, so I'll see you in a bit.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Traffic jam. Well, even if you have an EV, So I just got to Pescocostanzo, and I'm at the usual spot where there is the pastry place, but unfortunately it's closed. They are open on Saturday and Sunday, sometimes during the week, so I missed the pastry, damn it. Anyway, this is the valley near Pescocostanzo. Simone is down there, and you can see a bit the Gran Sasso mountain, which is the highest mountain in the center of Italy. Center, yep. And down here the valley continues. Down this street there is a charger, AC charger, and then up there you cannot see it from here, but there is a ski resort, and it's pretty small. Unfortunately, for the past 2 years it was closed because no snow. And actually they install AC chargers. I don't know if they're active yet. I have to check it out. Maybe next time, or maybe later on. I don't know. So this is a nice place. If you come from the road up here, there is a parking place here. Some benches to picnic and stuff. There are no tables, unfortunately. And it's very nice. The weather is great. Some clouds now, but that's okay. Temperature is great, fantastic. Anyway, I'll see you in a bit. was a great road trip to Pescocostanzo. The weather was great. Took some pictures and the valley up there in Pescocostanzo is really beautiful. Now the weather is changing, so I came away. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, put a like, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao, Tesla people.